Welcome to Excel for Tally. In this video, we will learn about batch details in Tally. Select features to enable batch details. Choose inventory details from features. Select yes in maintain batch-wise details. Select yes to set expiry dates for batches. Save the configurations. Create a new item master. Select yes in maintain batch-wise details. To tag date of manufacturing, select yes here. For expiry dates of item, select yes. Save the item master. Create one more item master and save it. Now create a purchase invoice. Select a stock item with batch number. When we select an item with batch numbers, batch allocation screen will appear. Write new batch number for item. Write quantity and rate for the stock item. Write manufacturing date and expiry date for the selected batch. Select other item name and write all the details with batch number. Now save the purchase voucher. Now create a sales invoice to see the effect of batch number in sales. Select party name from the list of ledgers. Select a stock item with batch number and see the result. Batch allocation screen will appear for batch details. List of batch number for selected item will comes here. Select batch number and write quantity and rate of it. Manufacturing date and expiry date of selected batch number will come automatically and we can change it also. Save the sales invoice. Now check the sales register. We can also print batch number in sales invoice. Batch number will come with manufacturing and expiry date in invoice. We can also check batch report in Tally with details. Select batch from inventory books. Select item name and batch number to see the report of it. It will show all the details of batch number with manufacturing and expiry date. In this way, we can use batch numbers for stock item in Tally. You can import all the sales and purchase data with batch number from Excel to Tally by excel4tally.com. Search excel4tally.com on web. Sign up for free to import data. Call us or mail us for any query. Subscribe to our channel, watch our other videos for Tally and Excel. Thank you for watching videos and please subscribe us to get updates.